Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add your birth date or the date of birth to your Telegram account. It's a very simple step, so without any further delay, let's dive right in. So obviously let's tap into the app itself, let's tap into Telegram. And here what you gotta do is go into the setting option that is on the right bottom corner. Let's tap in there. And you have to go to the edit option again, that is on the right top corner. Just tap in edit and it will lead you to this page where you can customize, change whatever your profile picture, your profile names. So you can see here there's an option that says date of birth. Now this is where you change your add your date of birth. Just tap in add and you can choose a date of birth. So for example, let's suppose my date of birth is on October. Okay. And yeah, whatever day you're born in, you can simply choose that, and you can simply choose done, and there you go. Now if you want to check it, then you can simply go back, and there you can see your date of birth has been added. Now adding date of birth is as simple as that. That is how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, do not forget to leave a comment on the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.